Have you ever looked down at your car floor mats and wondered if that mysterious brown stain is coffee, mud, or something significantly worse? Today we are putting an end to the guesswork and the grime by revealing the absolute best car rug cleaners on the market. Let's dive into the countdown, starting from number 5 and working our way to the undisputed champion. 5. Turtle Wax T440R2W. This is arguably one of the most accessible and recognizable products on the market, practically leaping off the shelves of every local auto parts store. Its primary claim to fame is the formulation combined with an attached micro-scrub brush designed to agitate the fibers and lift out tough, set-in stains. When I first tested this product, I immediately appreciated the convenience of having a scrubber directly attached to the aerosol can, making it a very grab-and-go solution for sudden spills. It utilizes an oxygen-infused cleaning formula, which is generally excellent for breaking down organic stains like food spills and pet accidents. Applying the Turtle Wax cleaner is a fairly straightforward process. You shake the can vigorously, spray a generous layer of the thick foam directly onto the stained area, and let it dwell for a few moments before using the built-in brush to work it in. During my testing on a dried coffee stain, the foam expanded nicely, seemingly lifting the brown discoloration to the surface. The brush bristles are stiff, which helps to aggressively scrub the fibers, and for a quick surface-level touch-up, it definitely showed a visual improvement in the short term. It also features odor-eliminating technology specifically formulated to seek and destroy bad smells at the molecular level. However, the deeper I got into testing this product on various carpets, the more apparent its limitations became. While the attached brush is convenient, those stiff bristles are actually quite aggressive, and I noticed them beginning to slightly fray and damage the softer, more delicate carpet fibers in my test vehicle. You have to be incredibly careful with how much pressure you apply, which contradicts the whole point of a heavy-duty scrubber. 4. Meguiar's Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Meguiar's is a massive, highly respected name in the car detailing industry, so my expectations were naturally elevated when I brought this aerosol foam into the testing garage. This product is designed specifically to tackle tough stains while being safe on a wide variety of automotive fabrics, utilizing a fast-acting active foam that penetrates deep into the carpet backing to release bonded dirt. When I sprayed this onto a thoroughly muddy floor mat, the foaming action was incredibly satisfying to watch, bubbling up rapidly and immediately beginning to break down the crusty soil. The application process is quite similar to the Turtle Wax, but the delivery system here feels a bit more refined. It features a dual-purpose sprayer that allows you to shoot a narrow stream for isolated spot cleaning or a wide mist for tackling an entire floor mat. This versatility was extremely useful during my testing, allowing me to precisely target a small grease droplet without wasting product on the surrounding clean carpet. The formula also contains a very pleasant, fresh new car scent that genuinely enhances the interior atmosphere without being terribly overpowering or cloying like the previous contender. Once the foam is applied and agitated with a detailing brush, it does an admirable job of suspending the dirt so it can be wiped away with a towel. I found that it handled organic stains beautifully, virtually erasing a smashed French fry and ketchup disaster from my test upholstery. However, it is during the heavy-duty soil testing that the Meguiar's formula starts to show some cracks in its armor. When dealing with heavily embedded, ground-in dirt from work boots, the foam struggled to lift the particulate matter completely to the surface. It often required 3 or 4 repeated applications and intense scrubbing to achieve an acceptable result. 3. Adams Polish's Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This is where we transition from decent consumer-grade products into the realm of professional-level enthusiast detailing chemicals. Adams Polishes has built a stellar reputation on formulating products that are incredibly effective, yet remarkably safe and easy to use. Right out of the gate, this product distinguishes itself by coming in a liquid spray bottle rather than an aerosol can. This non-foaming liquid approach allows the chemical to wick deep down into the carpet fibers incredibly fast, going to work on the root of the stain almost instantly upon contact. During my testing, I decided to throw a nightmare scenario at the Adams cleaner, a completely dried, week-old spilled soda stain that had practically cemented the carpet fibers together. I generously misted the area and let it sit for about 30 seconds. What impressed me the most was how the formula seemingly melted the sticky sugars. When I agitated it with a soft bristled interior brush, there was no massive, messy lather to deal with. Instead, the liquid just dissolved the grime, allowing me to effortlessly lift the brown sludge away with a clean microfiber towel. It was efficient, fast, and incredibly satisfying. One of the absolute best features of Adams Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is its safety profile. It is formulated without harsh, toxic chemicals, making it hypoallergenic and incredibly safe to use around pets and children. This gave me fantastic peace of mind, knowing I was not filling the enclosed cabin of my car with hazardous fumes. The scent is extremely subtle, a very light, clean fragrance that dissipates quickly, leaving the car simply smelling like nothing at all. For anyone who prefers a neutral, purely clean interior without masking fragrances, this is an absolute dream come true. Another massive advantage of this liquid formula is the distinct lack of any residue. 2. Chemical Guy's Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This product is an absolute titan in the detailing industry, and for incredibly good reasons. What sets this cleaner apart from everything else we have discussed so far is that it is an intensely powerful, hyper-concentrated formula. You do not use this product straight out of the bottle. Instead, you dilute it with water, typically around a 20-to-1 ratio, meaning a single bottle of this concentrate will practically last you a lifetime, making it the best value for your money by an absolute landslide. The magic of the Citrus Fabric Clean lies in its oxygen-infused, citrus-based active enzymes. These natural cleaners are incredibly aggressive against organic matter, grease, and heavy soils. I mixed up a heavily diluted spray bottle and took it to a set of floor mats that had spent a winter accumulating heavy road salt, mud, and unidentifiable grease stains. The moment I sprayed it, the citrus scent filled the air, which smells genuinely authentic and fresh rather than synthetic. As I agitated the carpet with a drill brush, the liquid transformed into a rich, thick, luxurious lather that actively floated the heavy dirt particles to the surface of the foam. This foaming action is distinctly different from aerosol foams. Because you dictate the dilution and the agitation, you control exactly how much lather is produced. The foam acts as a brilliant suspension mechanism. The enzymes detach the grease from the fabric, and the foam physically lifts it up, preventing it from settling back down into the carpet pile. When I wiped the foam away with my towel, the transformation was staggering. The dingy, gray, matted-down fibers were instantly restored to a rich, deep, plush black. It handled heavy grease stains with an ease that none of the previous spray cleaners could even come close to matching. 1. Bissell Little Green Pro. Let's be completely clear. While the previous entries were chemical sprays, the Little Green Pro is a dedicated, portable carpet extraction machine. When you are truly serious about pulling years of embedded grime, foul liquids, and massive stains out of your car's rugs, you cannot rely on hand scrubbing alone. You need the mechanical power of hot water extraction, and the Little Green Pro is arguably the greatest portable extractor ever created for automotive detailing, delivering results that absolutely blew my mind during testing. The premise of this machine is beautifully simple, yet devastatingly effective. It features a dual tank system, one for clean water and your cleaning solution, and one for the filthy, extracted water. You use the handheld wand to inject a high-pressure stream of cleaning solution deep into the core of the carpet backing. Then, using the stiff bristles on the wand, you agitate the fibers before pressing down and utilizing the machine's incredibly powerful vacuum suction to rip the dirty water straight out of the rug. Watching the clear plastic nozzle instantly fill with a stream of jet black, muddy water is easily the most satisfying detailing experience you will ever have. During my ultimate test, I took the Little Green Pro to a salvaged floor mat that looked like it had been buried in a swamp. I pre-treated the mat, injected the hot water, and began extracting. The suction power on the Pro model is vastly superior to the standard Little Green machine, pulling an unbelievable amount of moisture out of the carpet. This is critical because it means your carpet's dry in a matter of hours, rather than staying wet and developing a musty mildew smell. The machine literally reversed years of neglect in a single pass, reviving the carpet pile and extracting dirt I did not even know was there.